If you're ready for spring, you're in the right place. I'm Ryan Walter, Director of Sales at Brightview, coming to you from Coral Gables, Florida at the Biltmore Resort with the latest Season in 60. Here's what to know now, what's new, and what to do for a successful spring season. Let's get ready for growing season. Now's the time to fertilize, apply pre-emergent to keep weeds at bay, and clean up beds, shrubs, and trees to make way for new growth. Check out our new spring checklist to learn more. Speaking of new clients, Walk and Lakeridge Greens are looking forward to their best landscape yet, with 30, 60, and 90-day plans to fast-track results in their communities. See how they're taking a new approach in the links below. Finally, here are your to-dos for the season. To conserve moisture, reduce weeds, and insulate against upcoming warmer temps, lay down a fresh layer of mulch. And be sure to get spring color into the ground during these milder months to give new plants time to adjust before the hot weather arrives here in South Florida. That's your Season in 60. For support all year long, visit us at brightview.com.